Yemen Air Force conducts retaliatory attacks against Saudi airbase. The retaliation targeted the King Khalid Airbase in the town of Khamis Mushait that lies south of the Saudi capital Riyadh late on Thursday, Al-Masirah television network reported. Announcing the reprisal, Brigadier General Yahya Saree stated the counterstrike was carried out using 2 drones of the KSF-2K make. Targeting King Khaled military base comes in response to the continued U.S.-Saudi military escalation and siege against Yemeni people, he added. In March 2015, the kingdom and many of its allies unleashed their war machines on the Arab world's already poorest nation. The war has been trying to restore power to Yemen's former Saudi-allied officials. The United States has been lending unchecked arms, logistical, and political support to the Saudi-led coalition. President Joe Biden, who has claimed that he seeks to end the American support for the war and take Riyadh to task for its actions, has stopped short of adopting any measure towards the self-proclaimed goal.